Do you know that drones will disinfect Churchill Downs for the second year before this weekend's Kentucky Derby? Hi everyone, this is Jason Sansucci, host of the Do You Know Drones podcast. Before spectators donned their ornate hats and $1,000 mint juleps start flowing at the 148th Kentucky Derby this Saturday, Pittsburgh-based AERAS Fog will sanitize Churchill Downs using a modified DJI MG-1S Multirotor spray drone. It's the second year in a row that AERAS will sanitize the seating areas, but will also use the drones to power wash portions of the exterior building facade at the racetrack, a new offering for the company in 2022. The company is able to completely sanitize all exterior surfaces of the seating areas in about 90 minutes using a microbiostatic fog that coats all sides of exposed surfaces, top, bottom, and sides. With COVID-19 restrictions being lifted at the park for the first time in 2 years, the greatest 2 minutes in sports is embracing drone technology to offer a more effective, efficient, and environmentally conscious means of cleaning the racetrack. Thanks so much for watching Do You Know Drones? We'll catch you next time. Bye now.